In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily install Roblox on your computer. To do this, just open your browser and type download Roblox in the search bar, and then go to this website. You can easily download it from this section. You can also use these platforms to install Roblox. The method I recommend for downloading and installing is to open the Microsoft Store. Just type Roblox in the search bar. And then we go to this section and click on Get. We use this method because the Microsoft Store installs the game based on your operating system and hardware. Just like that, it gets downloaded and installed easily. And to open the game, all you have to do is click Play. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be uploading more Roblox videos soon because I really love this game myself. If you want to support me, feel free to like and subscribe.